Hello, I would love to give you some ideas for letter U. U is for umbrella. So for our decorating the letter U, we just turned it upside down and we colored it and tried to make it look like an umbrella. For the sound that letter U makes, I did the vowel people. This is my friend U. My friend U ate too many sweet treats like cupcakes, donuts, ice cream. What's your favorite sweet treat? Chocolate milk candy. Oh, and now he has a tummy ache. And my friend U says, take your hand and put it on your tummy and say, uh. You can get the Vowel People puppets. You can watch the Vowel People video where I explain all the vowel sounds if you want to in a different video. So after we practiced the sound, we moved on to math. And for math, we did same and different. So I just showed a little worksheet and it had 9 differences between the 2 pictures. And the kids had to find them. And then they had to decide how many more. So we counted on. So it was really a fun math activity. Here it is. And it says 8, but we found 9. So you'll have to go to my website, get the link so you can get a copy of this. And I see an umbrella right there. U is for umbrella today. And that was our math. For our music and movement, we did the umbrella song. I'll put the link below. For art, we made a paper plate umbrella by cutting half of the paper plate, painting it with watercolor paints, just however you want to paint it. And then we added a letter J from black paper, which was the handle for the umbrella. For science today, we did something that I think was a lot of fun. We tried to test out things that, and just to check if they're waterproof or not. So first we tried the umbrella. So I have a water squirter. This is going to be our rain. So I just rained on the umbrella. Okay, now let me check and see if I'm wet. I'm not wet. In fact, the rain just rolled off the umbrella. The floor is wet, but I was nice and dry under here. And that's because the umbrella is made from waterproof material. It's really thick and it won't let the water go through. It's dry underneath. So we tested out some things to see if they were waterproof or not waterproof. And you can make your hypothesis or your guess. This is tissue paper. It's what you might use to wrap presents with. So do you think that the tissue paper will be waterproof? Yes or no? Let's try it. Ooh, the tissue paper is definitely not waterproof. I'm all wet and look, the water went all the way through. So tissue paper, not waterproof. Let's try something else. Let's try this kitchen foil or tin foil. Do you think it will be waterproof? Yes or no? Let's try it. Oh, look at that. The water's just running right off of it. Let's turn on the back and see if it's wet back there. I don't see any water. It didn't come through. So the tin foil is waterproof. Okay, next, let's try this plastic bag. Do you think the plastic bag will be waterproof or not waterproof? Let's try it. Okay, let me check my hand and see. It's dry. The plastic bag is waterproof. No water got through. Next, we have this piece of cardboard. This is just what you might get a package in. So let's see, do you think it'll be waterproof, yes or no? Let's try and see. The water's running right off. Let's turn it around. I don't see any water back there, but I see something kind of happening. At first, it is waterproof, but if I keep squirting it, it looks like to me it's getting a little bit squishy. I think that at first with a little bit of water or a little bit of rain, this cardboard would be waterproof. But after a while, if you keep wetting it, I think it won't be. So yes and no for that one. And I know this is true because I got a package at Christmas time and the mail carrier put it on the steps. But the problem was I wasn't home. We were out of town. So when I got back after a week from being out of town, the package that was left on the step was soaked and the cardboard was squishy. So I don't think that cardboard is waterproof after a while. So the next thing we're going to test out is, let's see, this paper towel. Let me grab it. Do you think the paper towel will be waterproof? Yes or no? Let's try. Oh, I can tell you right now, I am wet and the paper towel is wet all the way through. It is definitely not waterproof. So that was our fun science experiment or activity for today. For story time, we read, I'm going to look and see. The story is Raindrops All Around. And I'm going to quickly show you the copy of the lesson plan for today. So, and I changed the story. The story that we read was not the big umbrella. It was raindrops all around. And this gives you some ideas that you can do for your day. For you is for umbrella. You can get that at the weekly lesson plan and at my website. You can get that weekly lesson plan at my website. Have a great day. I'll see you next time for another Letter of the Day idea video.